80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So first and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. But as you can see, we coming live to y'all from the big turbo 535. I took the wrap off. If y'all watched the last couple of videos with the manifold and all of that, I have to end up back and send it off back the manifold to Jack Spanier. So that's what we've been up to, getting this thing right. Also gathering some parts, we get port injection, and also we got the motive reflex and a couple other parts, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the videos to come in the future. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that, and I hope y'all enjoy this POV, man. It's been a while since I did a video on the big turbo 535. So let's get it, man. We're about to hit the 95 right now. So I'm gonna pick up at the camera whenever I can. Alright guys, so right now we on the 95, but it's just pure traffic, man. Yeah, he brave. Yeah man, but it's just pure traffic. So it's there's not like nothing really there to like record, and I don't like wanna board y'all. So when I see some action or something, I'll just pick up at the camera and give y'all some content, man. Alright, so I'm just picking up at the camera. Guys, this shit feels different, man. Probably it's because it's been a while since I drive it. It's been like probably 3 weeks, because I was waiting on parts and all of that. I had to send back parts. When I get the other one, it didn't fit. So if y'all didn't see that video, make sure y'all go check it out, and y'all could see the update, man. So I ordered some more exhaust parts, so I'm gonna make another downpipe, or a hood exit, I should say. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get this channel to 10k subs, man. And if y'all like the sound of the new setup, make sure y'all comment down below, man. Let's see if we could find any fast guys, man. Even though right now I still need the custom tune. Soon and very soon, guys. I'm probably gonna take it to the car wash and probably go get some gas too. Damn, this Cadillac wagon clean. That one pop sounds good. And also guys, soon and very soon, I think probably the next video is gonna be on the port injection install, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all turn on the post notification bell so y'all won't miss the drop. We're getting these upgrades little by little, man. Was this a scat? So if it's this fun to drive, and I don't even got the custom tune yet, so imagine when I get the custom tune and everything is running right. She's gonna be sick, man. I guess this cat trying to run it. For every second you going all the way over there. I guess he's turning off. So whenever I get to the car wash and shit like that, I'm gonna make y'all see the new setup, man. And bear in mind also, remember I said earlier into the video, I also ordered some parts to make the exhaust, so the exhaust I got right now is kinda chopped up, kinda fucked up, so bear in mind. Shit, look like 12 got somebody. Oh, he just turned off his lights. Oh, he got the R8. Damn. Alright, so I just got to the car wash, so now we're gonna give it a quick little wash. But first, let me show y'all the engine bay. Here's the dome pipe. I had to cut it. And also I didn't put back the crossbar piece that go right here yet, but that's what it's looking for right now until I get the other parts. Didn't put back the O2 sensor yet because I'm waiting on the other parts, as I said. But so I'm running it until like probably tomorrow. The other parts should be here tomorrow, so I'll make it then. But this was just for right now. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this clean up, man. Alright, so I went ahead and did a little wash, because it's been a while since I washed it and it was dirty as fuck, man. So it really needed a wash. So I hope y'all enjoy the POV. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.